Okay na ba? So, ayan, proceed tayo sa next example. So, ito naman, find the area between the curves 2x squared. So, find the area, yung equation na lang lagay ko. Find the area between the curves 2x squared plus 4x plus y is equal to 0. And y is equal to 2x. So, anong klaseng equation yung una? 2x squared plus 4x plus y. So, parabola pa din yan kasi naka-squared yung x, naka-first degree lang yung y. And then, yung y is equal to 2x, anong klaseng graph to? Y is equal to 2x. Parehas na first degree, so ibig sabihin, considered lang yan as line. So, yung sinabi kong shortcut kanina, pwede naman natin siyang gamitin dito. Diba? Ang gagawin lang natin, arrange na muna natin, i-isolate natin yung y. So, transpose natin sa kabila, magiging lang tong negative 2x squared minus 4x. So, ano yan yung makukuha nating x coordinate nung vertex. Ano ba yung sinabi kong formula kanina? Ano yung formula? Dun sa shortcut. Negative b over 2a wherein ang b natin dyan is negative 4. So, over 2a which is negative 2. So, positive 4 over negative 4 ibig sabihin nasa negative 1 yung x coordinate. Para makuha natin yung y, then substitute na lang natin. Y is equal to negative 2, negative 1 squared minus 4 times negative 1. So, ibig sabihin yung isang coordinate niya is at negative 2 kasi magpa-positive to and then plus 4. So, positive 2. So, ang vertex natin is at negative 1, positive 2. Ito yung vertex. So, based dun sa given natin, saan facing? Based sa given. Facing?
Downward.
So, facing downward. Kasi, kapag ganun, yung dito kayo mag-base dun sa naka-positive yung x squared natin. So, positive yung x squared, ibig sabihin upward or downward, yung y natin, kung tatranspose natin sa kabila, negative. So, ibig sabihin, downward yung figure. So, kung ipa-plot natin yan, so, yun na muna, yung vertex na muna, meron tayong negative 1, positive 2. Then, since ang given natin is line yan, y is equal to 2x, kunin na natin agad yung points of intersection ng dalawa. So, una, yan yung equation natin, 2x squared plus 4x plus y is equal to 0. Kunin natin yung points of intersection. So, ang isang equation natin is y is equal to 2x, so substitute na lang natin siya dito. So, magiging tong 2x squared plus 4x plus yung y natin, gagawin na natin siyang 2x is equal to 0. So, ito magiging lang niyang 2x squared plus 6x is equal to 0. So, pwede nating i-factor out yung 2. So, magiging lang tong 2x multiplied by x plus 3 is equal to 0. Ibig sabihin, yung factors or yung roots niyan natin are, itong 2 na yan, wala namang effect yan kasi naka-multiply lang. Ito, equate lang natin sa 0 yung mga factors. Ibig sabihin, yung roots natin are x is equal to 0 or x is equal to negative 3. So, ayan, para ibig sabihin yan, dito sila nag-intersect. X is equal to 0 and x is equal to negative 3. Then, kailangan na lang yan natin makuha yung y coordinates nila. If x is equal to 0, ano yung value ng y natin? If x is equal to 0.
0 din.
0 din. Kasi mag-base na lang kayo dito. Kapag ganun, kung meron kayo nakuhang value for x na dalawa, or kahit isa lang actually, so, i-substitute nyo lang dun sa original equation, kahit alin dun sa dalawa. So, mas madali, ito na lang, y is equal to 2x. So, ibig sabihin, magiging lang tong, kaya y is equal to 0, kasi nga, y is equal to 2 times 0. So, if x naman is equal to negative 3, ibig sabihin, ang y natin is, yung y natin is, ito na lang,
Negative
gamitan
6.
nyo lang to, negative 6. So, ibig sabihin yung points of intersection natin are at 0, 0, and negative 3, negative 6. So, ayan, meron na tayong points of intersection. Meron tayo dito na x is equal to 0, 0, 0, and meron tayong negative 3 and negative 6. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. So, ibig sabihin, dito mag-i-intersect yung dalawang given na y is equal to 2x and the parabola. And alam natin kasi downward yan. So, unahin na natin to. Connect lang natin to, yung dalawang line natin. Ayan yung line. So, yung parabola naman, ito yung vertex natin. So, pababa lang siya. Alam natin, pababa yung figure. Ibig sabihin, ganyan yung itsura niya. So, based on sa mga given equation natin, ano yung mas madali?
Vertical.
Vertical strip. Kasi unang-una, naka-isolate na agad dito dun sa given natin. Yung y. Y is equal to negative 2x squared minus 4x. Tapos, yung horizontal line natin, wala ding problema kasi y is equal to 2x na kaagad. So, yung equation natin dito is y is equal to negative 2x squared minus 4x. So, kaya kung gagamitin natin is vertical strip, so, all throughout naman, from starting point, dito sa side na to, hanggang dun sa end part, laging y upper natin is tumatama dun sa parabola. And laging tumatama dun sa baba ng vertical strip natin, kahit dito pa yan, is yung line. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung y upper natin, and ito naman yung magiging y lower. So, lagay ko lang yung coordinates nito. So, ang equation natin yan, magiging ano yung magiging equation? Y upper minus y lower. Ano yung magiging equation natin?
Ay, negative 2x
Negative 2x
minus 4x
squared minus 4x
minus 2x.
minus 2x dx. Ano yung magiging limits yan natin? Vertical strip. So, dx. Ibig sabihin, tinitignan lang natin x coordinates. Ano yung limits?
6 and, ay, negative 6 to 2.
Limits. Vertical strip. Yung movement natin along x-axis from this point papunta dun sa dulong part.
Negative 3 to 0.
Negative 3 to 0. So, negative 2x squared minus 6x dx. So, ayan. Magiging lang tong negative 2x raised to 3 over 3 minus 6x squared over 2. So, idiretso ka na. 3x squared na lang from negative 3 to 0. So, obviously, yung upper limit natin is 0. So, kasi may x naman yan na multiply lang sa 0 minus yung sa lower limit. So, compute lang natin yung sa lower limit. Meron tayong negative 2/3 or negative 3 muna. Then, meron tayong negative 2/3. And then, yung para mapakita na lang. Negative 3 raised to 3 minus 3 negative 3 squared. So, negative 9. So, ibig sabihin, magpa-positive lang, ang final answer natin is 9 square units. So, pwede naman natin din siyang idiretso. So, meron tayong integration of negative, or para ma-check lang natin if tama yung sagot, minus 6x from negative 3 to 0. So, ayun, tama naman. 9 square units. May tanong ba dito sa problem na to?